Alright, we need to find the distance between the 2 points, so we're going to use that distance formula. So we're going to, this is x, this is y. This is x, this is y. So the square root of 3 minus 2 squared plus 6 minus 4 squared. So this would be the square root of 1 squared plus 2 squared, which is equal to the square root of 5, and that would be 2.2. Okay, next one, square root of negative 4 minus a negative 3 squared plus 2 minus a negative 4 squared. Okay, so this you add the opposite on each of these since there's two negatives. So negative 1 squared plus 6 squared, which is equal to 1 plus 36 equals the square root 37. Square root of 37 is 6.1. Alright, part 4.5 part 2 is the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. The objective is to use side lengths to classify triangles. Alright, you can determine if a triangle is acute, obtuse, or right by its side lengths. Okay, the longest side is always c. So if c squared is less than a squared plus b squared, then the triangle is acute. If c is equal to a squared plus b squared, then the triangle is right. And if c is greater than a squared plus b squared, then the triangle is obtuse. Alright, so we need to identify our a, our b, and our c. So we'll call 4 our a, 5 our b, 7 our c. So if 7 squared equal to 4 squared plus 5 squared, so 49 is equal to 16 plus 25. Okay, so 49 is equal to 41. Now, if our c side, the c is greater than the a plus b, then the triangle is obtuse. Alright, the next one we'll call 8 our a, 12 our b, and 15 our c. I usually just increase it from smallest to greatest, okay? So c is 15 squared is equal to 8 squared plus 12 squared. So 225 is equal to 64 plus 144. So 225 is equal to 64 plus 144, 208. Okay, so the c side is greater than the a plus b side, so the triangle is obtuse. Alright, so in here, alright, so on here, I'm going to classify it A, B, and C. So 4 is our A, 6 is our B, 7 is our C. Alright, so let's set this one up. So this is my A, my B, and my C. So 7 squared is equal to 4 squared plus 6 squared. So 49 is equal to 16 plus 36. So 49 is equal to 52. Alright, so the C is less than the A plus B side, so this would make it acute. Alright, so my A, my B, and my C. So 37 squared is equal to 12 squared plus 35 squared. I could do it opposite. Okay, so 37 squared is 13,069. 12 squared is 144. 35 squared is 12 1225. So this is equal to 1369. Equal to 1369. So when C is equal to the A plus B side, then it's a right angle, or right triangle. Alright, so identify A, B, and C. So 36 squared, so that's my C. Then my A plus B goes on this side, so 16 squared plus 30 squared. So 36 squared is equal to 1296. 16 squared is equal to 256. 30 squared is equal to 900. So 1156 is equal to 1296. So the C side is greater than the A plus B side, so this is obtuse. Alright, last one. So let's identify the A, the B, and the C. So 25 squared is equal to 7 squared plus 24 squared. So 625 is equal to 49 plus 576. So 625 is equal to 625. So the C side is equal to the A plus B side. So this is a right triangle. Alright, what did we learn today? Alright, today we learned the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, write down if you have any questions here and then a sample test question.